Hello students, I hope you all are doing good and enjoyed your summer breaks. Now let's get back to our studies. Hope you all have the books with you, right? So let me tell you how this is going to work first. In the coming weeks, we are going to revise the chapters that we have covered in April and May month. We will be sending you the videos according to the timings and you have to go through the videos in the allotted time so that you can get ready for the next subject. While going through the videos, if you have any query, please use the comment section box. Let us revise our first chapter of E1, The Naughty Dog. Learning outcomes. Learning outcome means what you're going to learn from today's video. First, I'm going to explain you the gist of the story so that you can recall the same. Second, we will go through the glossary words which are there at the end of the chapter. And third, we are going to evaluate the factual questions. Starter activity. Come to page number 9. There is a starter activity. Time limit is 2 minutes. That means within 2 minutes you have to complete this activity. This activity will be done on this page only. There is a space near the activity. Try to fill there only. Now first of all write today's date on this page. And now first question, how many of you have a pet at home? Now if you have a pet at home, write I have a pet at home. If you don't have a pet at home, write I don't have a pet at home. Next is, why do you think people like to have pets? Write your answers. For example, I think people like to have pets for their entertainment. Or you can write, I think people like to have pets because they care for them. Any reason it can be. And the next, which is the most popular pet? That means which pet you see the most. Now, I hope you remember the story that it starts with an old man and his pet dog Cesar. What was his daily routine? In the morning, the old man used to get up and he used to go for a walk with his pet dog Cesar. And then they used to stop at the coffee shop to have a cup of coffee for himself and a bun for his pet. Then they stop at a newsstand to buy a newspaper and then back to home. Hello students. I hope you all are doing good and enjoyed your summer breaks. Now let's get back to our studies. Hope you all have the books with you, right? So let me tell you how this is going to work first. In the coming weeks, we are going to revise the chapters that we have covered in April and May month. So in this way, the old man was happy with the dog. Why? Because, like a faithful servant, the dog helped his master during his tough times. But students, at the same time, the coffee shop owner was also happy with the dog. Now, as we are revising this chapter, you know why coffee shop owner is happy with the dog. After the recovery. Recovery means now the old man is fit and fine. He was back to his routine. When he went to the newsstand to buy what? To buy the newspaper. He was shocked to hear that he owed 80 rupees to the shopkeeper. He was surprised. He said, why I have to give 80 rupees to the shopkeeper? So the old man had decided to find out what had happened to all the money he had sent through the dog. Mission to find out what the dog did with the money. So the next day, the old man gave the dog 2 rupee coin in the same way he used to give when he was ill. And the dog went out. The old man followed the dog secretly. And what did he saw? He saw that from home, dog went to the coffee shop to have a bun for himself, which cost 2 rupees. And then he went to the newsstand to buy a newspaper. So he was not giving any money to the shopkeeper for the newspaper. Naughty dog, said the old man. From then onwards, the old man gave the dog two 2 rupee coins, one for the bun and other for the newspaper. Here is the end of the story. I hope you all have recalled the story once again. Now let us see the glossary part. Come to page number 10. There are few words. I'll explain you the meaning. Routine means what? Regular action what we do. For example, I get up early in the morning, I get ready for my class, I study, then I eat my lunch. This is our daily routine. Customer. A person who buy things is called customer. Recovered. There are many meanings of recovered, but here recovered means got well after illness. Realized, that means understood. The following assignment is to be done in your E1 notebook. I'll show you the assignment, but before that, you have to take a book, cover it properly, neatly, and label it, and fill the information on the label. Here goes our assignment. And in the same way, your notebook page also will look like this. First of all, write today's date. What is today's date? 2nd of July 2020. And then how I wrote? Chapter 1, The Naughty Dog. New words. And 5 new words I wrote here. The next 5 new words I wrote at the other side. Well disciplined, strict, routine, fetch, continue, secret, decide, surprise, regular, and faithful. After that, come to page number 11. There are the questions. We are going to write the question answers. First, read the sentence carefully and answer the questions. What is the sentence? He was forced to stay in bed. A. That means question is, who was forced to stay in bed? In the next line write, answer, the old man was forced to stay in bed. What is, now again leave a line. And B. Why was he forced to stay in bed? Answer, he was forced to stay in bed because he fell ill and could not move from his bed. In the same way, you also have to write in your notebook with good handwriting.